What's going on, YouTube fam? This is Humane Gundam 00 back in the house. I haven't posted a video in a hot minute, but we got a treat today. So I have the Dreame L10S Ultra, baby, and goodness, this thing cleans. It cleans like mad. When you get it, and it's your first time cleaning with it, set the settings to max. Max cleaning settings. Have it do like 3 rounds. Promise you, you won't regret it. You won't regret it at all. By the way, if you come across a little problem, any type of problem where it seems like, it's acting up and it's going in random positions, you got your reset button right here next to your Wi-Fi. Hit that reset. I think it's like 3 seconds. So look into your instructions. It'll make everything right. Anyways, and going on to the more important part of this video, the dustbin here. So, if you notice, this little door here, it's not supposed to be like this. I looked at pictures of this dustbin and made sure, I'm pretty sure, now if I'm wrong, somebody correct me. But you see this little pin right here? Come on Google, come on, there we go. Okay, so you see how it's in there, the little pin, whatever. That's supposed to be kind of more on the outside. So this door closes. This door is where all your dust gets through and gets sucked back into the the bin over there. So, anyways, I'm gonna just make a quick cut here.